Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable comments on LinkedIn posts. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, head on over to your profile and now find that post or posts you'd like to disable comments on. So I'm inside my profile, scroll down. Now under activity, go ahead and click on show all posts. So from here, choose that post that you like to disable comments on. So if I want to disable comments on this post, I want to click the three dots inside of that box and then it will say edit post. So click onto edit post. Sorry, who can comment on this post. So click on who can comment on this post. And then we've got anyone, connections only, no one. So if you're going to disable all comments, go ahead and click on no one, then click save. And now that's going to update that post and no one can comment on that further.